Greenlink Engineering High Wind and Seismic Areas Mechanical Framing Installation Guide. You might be using your frame to install things like this or things like this. Whatever your application might be, these general guidelines are going to be the same. You might be receiving your frame from Greenlink Engineering fully assembled, or in some cases, you will be building it yourself. Again, whatever the case might be, have the fully assembled frame ready to go and put it on the roofing surface. The first thing to do is to clean the areas around the knucklehead bases really well so as not to prevent the adhesive from sticking. So you will clean these areas really well, follow the roofing system manufacturer's recommendation, or use rubbing alcohol to get rid of any grease. If there's gravel, if you have fully ballasted roofing system, get rid of any ballast so the membrane is accessible. Next thing, you will put the frame back on, and you will take a permanent marker and you will scribe a circle around each base so you know its exact location. This will become important a little later. Next thing is to take the frame apart. In some cases, you will have 1/4 20 bolts attaching the knucklehead tops to the frame. So take those off and lift off the frame. And now you're ready to spin off the knucklehead tops, and you're left with just the base. This would be a good time for me to talk about the anatomy of the knucklehead bases. I'll show you a cross section. Inside you will find 4 mounting holes, which are for the roofing screws, and these outside holes are to aid the adhesive in its cure, since it's a moisture curing adhesive. So you will take this Greenlink adhesive sealant and you will use a notch trowel to apply this adhesive to the bottom of the bases. Once you're done doing this, go back to your areas that you marked off and stick these bases down. Now you're ready for the roofing screws. If it's a concrete deck, then you're going to be using a fastener that's compatible with whatever type of deck you're using. But in any case, I will show you again on the cross section. You will take your fasteners and you will drive them into the deck through the bases, and you will take the same adhesive and you apply a dab of adhesive to the screw heads. So now you're looking like this. So you have fully adhered and mechanically attached knucklehead bases on the roof. Next thing to do is to put the tops back on and put the frame back on the tops, and now you're ready to level. Take a level and set it on top of the frame and see if your assembly is level. If that's not the case, we'll take the frame off again, and you can adjust each one of these tops by moving it up and down, by screwing it up and down, and putting a level to it again. So you put the frame back on and level, and you should be able to level it off to your liking. Now you're done doing that, take the frame back off for the last time, and using the same adhesive, apply the adhesive to the strut knuckleheads as such. Okay, now you have fully leveled knuckleheads, the adhesives on the knuckleheads, and now you're ready to put the frame into the knuckleheads. Now it's not going anywhere. Now you cannot do anything else. So this is your last step. Put the 1/4 20 bolts back in, and there you have it. You're done. This should be very good assembly for high wind areas and seismic areas where it's required to mechanically attach the frame. Thank you very much for your time.